Back at the start, it was all hearts and flowers, candlelight rendezvous that lasted for hours. But since he's gone, you toss and turn until dawn. Nobody ever told you it would feel like this when each tender dream just seems to fade like dew does. Your arms keep reaching for the lover man who was faithless and mean, but now he's gone from the scene. They ought to write a song about that, about the way it hurts when you realize all those promises were false, about the lonely sound when the music dies like a broken waltz. If there were prizes for those sighs of regret, you'd be the envy of the oh, woe is me set. Romance is through, it's just the piper and you. They are to write a song about that. Romance is through, it's just the piper and you. Oh, they ought to write a song about that. Somebody somewhere. Oh,